Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to discuss the partner activities through Zoom that are going to be taking the place of the quiz grades that we used to get per chapter. Okay, so I wanted to show you how do you find it and what is the information that you need. So here's our regular Blackboard course. If you go here in this area where it says materials under assignments, you will see that these are the places where you need to turn in the partner activities. There's only 3 different times that you will need to turn them in, and they correspond to Chapter 10, Chapter 11, and Chapter 12. Here, I put a link for tutorials for Zoom. I know many of you guys are just using Zoom now, but if you still need any type of help, this is a great resource. Record a meeting, how to schedule it, how to share your screen, any type of information that you might need. These are 1-minute video introduction, so you will find that here. And that's if you click this where it says Zoom tutorials. It also will take you to this page, which shows you the activities and their due dates. So this coming Sunday, April 5th, we're going to work on Chapter 10. There's a break for Easter, and then we come back April 19th to do Chapter 11, and then April 6th to do Chapter 12. And if you notice, there are 3 activities per chapter. So you'll complete these 3 activities with your partner. You will record your meeting with them through Zoom, okay? And then you will send it to me. And here is where you will find your partner information. So everyone has this. Right now I'm in just one of my classes. I do have another class, and I have information up for them under course materials assignments, and the same places to turn it in, the same page where you have the tutorials for Zoom, and also the same page for the partner activities, as well as your partner listed here. Okay, so you have access to all that information. Okay, what I wanted to show you guys was basically what are the steps that you need to take. So the first thing you need to do is get in contact with your partner. Okay, you can watch any of the Zoom tutorials. Email your partner, exchange contact information. You guys need to set up a time to meet virtually through Zoom before these due dates, okay? So any time before these due dates works. All the due dates, like I had previously done for the Connect activities, are going to be on these Sundays before midnight, and there are only 3. So one is this upcoming Sunday, April 5th. There is we skip a week for Easter, okay? And then we have Chapter 11 due on the 19th, and then Chapter 12 on the 26th. So these activities, you're going to complete them orally with your partner, and they are going to be regarding just different information from the chapter. They take the place of the quizzes that we used to complete in class. Okay, so here are the steps. Once you have your partner's information, you'll go to Zoom. One person needs to set up the Zoom meeting. Okay, you will set time. So one person will have to host the meeting. So let's just say host with video on, because I do need to see that both you guys are present. So you do need to have your webcam. You'll go under meetings, schedule a new meeting. Okay, so you can put Chapter 10 activities, whatever time that you schedule the meeting for. So let's say that you and your partner are going to meet on Friday at noon. It shouldn't take an hour, but that's just there. Okay, so host and participant video will be on, audio for both. So these you don't really need to worry about because these are mostly just for if you're doing multiple partners. So you'll see it. This is the URL link. So this is the link that you'll send to your partner, right? So you'll copy this invitation, copy, okay? then you will email that to your partner. So they'll get that whole thing. So for example, let's say I needed to email that information, copy and paste, and send it to them, okay? Then you will start the meeting. So it's gonna open it here. This is just gonna be as if I was doing the meeting myself. So I'm just gonna wait for it to connect. Here I am, I'm gonna join with the computer audio. I have my audio and my video. You can also invite your partner through here and send them that link. And then the way that you do the recording, the host will push the record button. So you can either record on your computer or record to the cloud. Okay, you will complete the Zoom meeting. You will end the meeting, and then you will send me the link to your Zoom meeting. Okay, end meeting for all. Once you complete recording, send it to me, and you will send it under the assignments area. So what you will do is you will click here under Zoom. Let me see if this is student mode. So you'll go into that partner area. This one is due Sunday, April 5th by 11:59. And you can do this one of two ways. So you can, in this comment section, link to the Zoom meeting, and then also put the partner names. So your partner names would be here. And then you'll submit it. It's going to say, you haven't submitted anything or any files. Is that okay? And you say yes, because the information is here. So you'll put okay. The other option you have is to do a Word document, paste the link here, and then put partner names here. Okay, you'll save the Word document, and then you'll turn it in under Browse My Computer, whatever you save it as. Okay, and then you'll turn it in and submit. Okay, so that's how I want you to turn in the assignments. How you find the activities is you'll go to your McGraw-Hill page. You'll open up. I'm going to go to Student View so I can see. So you see just how you would see it. So the book is here. Okay, and you'll go over to whatever the assignment was. So 327 Actividad 5. What I'll do is I will just look up page 327. Oh, here's 324, 325, 326, 327. Okay, so I've gotten to page 327, and then this is Actividad 4. So I'm going to go down to Actividad 5. And then this would be the activity that I would complete with my partner. Okay, so it says, ¿vives con tus padres o con otros parientes? ¿Están divorciados tus padres? ¿Tienes padrastro o madrastra? ¿Te llevas bien con él o ella? And you would just respond. So for this one, ¿vives con tus padres o con otros parientes? No, no vivo con mis padres. ¿Están divorciados tus padres? No, mis padres no están divorciados. ¿Tienes padrastro o madrastra? No. ¿Te llevas con él o ella? Pues no los tengo. I don't have them, right? And then your partner would respond as well. And you do that for all of the activities. We also, after that, we have 331, Actividad 9. So you go down to page 331, 330, 331, and then here is Actividad 9, and you have the same questions here. So you and your partner, I'm not going to grade you guys for every single little missed whatever it might be. I really just want to see that you guys are completing these together, that you are putting an effort, okay? That's my, don't worry if maybe it's more difficult, there's you don't understand, you didn't have standard pronunciation. Things are all okay. I just want to see that you guys are trying, okay, and answering the questions in Spanish. So you'll do these 3 activities together. Those will count towards your quiz grades. And it'll also be helpful for you guys to be able to be interacting and focusing together. If you do have any questions about this, please reach out to me and let me know. Make sure that you reach out to your partner. We do have an upcoming activity on the 5th. We only do it 3 times throughout the semester, throughout the remainder of the semester. And I thought that this would be a good way for you guys to be able to interact with each other. So I appreciate you guys being understanding of all the changes that we have had to implement. If you do have any questions, please reach out to me. Thank you.